Hey YouTube family, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ruth Nzioka, and today I'm here to make for you a new video. Okay, so Ruth, today we'll be asking you, what are your favorite quotes that you live by and why? Okay, so number one, only the best is good. The reason I live by that quote is only your best can be the best of anything. Number two, life is not a right full of freedoms, but a privilege full of responsibilities. It's a gift from God. We're the managers of life, and so it is our responsibility to take care of it. Number three, if you don't stand for anything, you'll fall for everything. True. This means you have to be assertive in life. You need to know what is your stand and live by it. Okay. Number four, this one is so cliche, everybody must know it. So number four, it's do unto others what you'd love them to do unto you. Because if you live by this standard, it means you'll always be considerate to each and every person around you. Number five, let me see, my final quote which I live by is say yes or no. Anything else that comes from your mouth when asked for any request is from the devil. This has helped me to be so very assertive, because many people ask you to do for them stuff, so you have to decide earlier on, will you say yes or no? Any other answer that you give is from the evil one. Those are the quotes that I live by. I live by them each and every single day. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.